to another contemplate channel. If you subscribe me long enough, you will learn that every time I speak in English, I've got a great gift from Rosie Studio, and here it is, a Stillwater collection, a new collection that is now available in Thailand in Mr. DIY shop. And thank you Rosie Studio, thank you very much for this great gift. If you are a Thai subscriber, a new Thai subscriber, I just want to tell you that every time that I got a gift from Rosie Studio, which they are New Zealanders, that I will speak in English so that they will understand how much I'm so in love with their products. And if you are new foreign subscribers, many of my videos I speak in Thai and you want to know the English caption, you want to understand it, don't worry, just comment on that certain clip that English caption please, and I will make it for you. Let's unpack this Stillwater collection. Let's start with the design paper. For Stillwater collection, they come in two sizes. The first one is 12 by 12 inches. It is 180 grams. Now, let's swatch all the design. Hopefully that you can see it is close enough. So cute. You can see there's a foil around a silk foil. You see it? That is all the design. There have 42 sheets, 14 designs, and 9 foil pages. Now let's see smaller one. A smaller size. They come in 6 by 6 inches. They don't tell me the grams. I guess that it should be around 100 grams because it's slightly thinner than this one. For the bigger one, they come for 14 designs, but this one they come with 20 designs, 14 sheets. Here is 42 sheets. And this one that we have a 9 foil paper, but this one 6 foil paper. So let's see the first one. It's similar to this. I think that we cover every design. This is the designer paper from Rosie Studio Stillwater collection. Let's see next. If you watch my previous video clip, you see that I'm so into stickers, and here the sticker from Stillwater collection, a totally different style from the another video clip. First one, they call it fall chipboard alphabet, and there are 105 pieces. Let me show you. Show the color and the design. And this one, you can see that the color is look like a marble, a pastel marble style, and actually it look like they paint with the watercolor. It's not too thick, pretty good for crafting and do the collage. Next one is an embellishment pack. As usual, come in 3 sheets. The first one is like a 3D sticker. Okay, next one. For the background, it looks like a splashing of watercolor and a minty green or minty blue with a positive word like best, play every day, celebrating you, happy days, and like that. So I think this one is pretty good for your collage, like a family day, a special event. And this one, a clear sticker with a positive quotation, for example, love, dream, love together. And this one, you are my home. Oh my, so sweet. For the sticker, we still have a chipboard sticker, another chipboard. This one is this alphabet, and another one is what I should call it, not an alphabet. Next one, and it is a glitter sentiment stickers. Here it is. I'm not sure whether you can see it, but it's like a bouquet here and sentimental word with a golden color glitter. Wonderful memory, celebrate today, family time. Here, choose happy. Oh, right here, it's not just a circle. You can see the word home inside, can't you? H-O-M-E. It's the same as this one. It's same design as this one, but be here, H and a heart and me. and also this one together. They will have a T and a heart shape and together. I think that I cover all the sticker except if you want me to cut out this button as a sticker. It's a button with an adhesive sticker, adhesive tape here. From what I can see and I compare it to the video right now, I think that what I see is slightly lighter. Yeah, it's lighter color. Here is love my life. Oh, today home. Hi, my darling, just be you. I will set all the sticker aside, and here it is. A tag. The tag contains 24 pieces. Next one, a journal card, a double-sided journal card. I'll show you all the design here first. Okay, so it comes with 40 cards. The first size is 3 by 4 inches and another one is 4 by 6 inches. Now we finish all the smaller design. For the smaller one, they will come with 2 each, but for the bigger one, 1 each. We start with this romantic quotation, you put your arms around me and I am home. Oh, how sweet it is. And here is a home design. Oh, I know it. Next month and on December will be my parents' birthday. I think that I will make this one to be their card. Amazing, loving, strong, happy, selfless, and grateful, and become a mother. Mommy! She loves it for sure. Wow, I will save it for my mom. And here it looks like an envelope. Like actually saying that you are beautiful. Oh my. And the best thing to hold on to in life is each other. So sweet. That is all on the Rosie Studio Stillwater journal cards. Let's see what we have next. Next one, a stamper set. Here it is. Let's start with this one, a clear stamper from Stillwater collection. And it's all the flowers, flowering plant. I think at first think that it's a diamond. No, I think that it's a terrarium. Right, it should be terrarium. And I suppose that I should stamp this plant and flower first and then put this terrarium on top. It's so cute to try. Yeah, I will try. Oh, yeah. Next clip, I gotta make a plant with me using all the Stillwater collection, and this could be part of my plan with me for sure. Next one, a stamper and die set. So this is a die cut shape that you can use with a die cut machine with the stampers here that you can use anywhere that you like. Here's all the positive words like anniversary, Father's Day, birthday, and Mother's Day here. I'm so crazy about it. I want to use it right now. Let's see what we have next. Next one, a sequin set. And it comes with, ooh, here. Can you see it? It's in a butterfly shape. Next one, we have a box clips. Yeah, it's a real clip that you can put on a journal, traveling notes, or even a tea to make it be elegant. And now we have a die cut and also the vine flowers. Let me show the vine flowers first. I think that the latest vine flowers that I've got from Rosie Studio is comes from a white flower collection, and that one is in the kind of purple, violet, and blue color. But this one, it looks like they used watercolor on a fine paper. So adorable. beautiful band flowers from Stillwater collection. Last but never ever be least, the die cut shape. And here a die cut shape contained with 106 pieces. Oh, I forgot to check how much I've got. Okay, this band flower there are 45 pieces. Here is all the design, and it is foiled. I can't help. I need to unpack it. This one is so cute. I'll find a Ziploc bag later. Oh, band flower, go back home. Alright. I will not show you every single die cut. Ooh, it looks like a watercolor one. See it? It's come 2 each. This die cut is so good. And here are all of the Stillwater collection from Rosie Studio. If you love watercolor, if you love pastel color, sequin, foil paper, you will love this collection like I do. And there are good news. The first good news is that this Stillwater collection is now available in Thailand in Mr. DIY shop. You can check the nearest branch from Mr. DIY fan page. I will copy the link and put in the description box. Another good news is that Rosie Studio is so nice. All stuff is so nice. They are beautiful like the products that they have produced, or they could be much more beautiful because they not give me just only this one set of Stillwater collection, but this time it's so special. They give me another pack of Stillwater collection for you. Congratulations! So there will be a giveaway activity soon, very soon. So please stay tuned, subscribe to the channel, click the bell ring. If you have Twitter, follow @studyideas_. If you have Facebook, please click like at Adante Contemplate NW. There will be a giveaway activity very soon, so please stay in touch. Thank you very much for watching. There could be some errors when I sing because I'm too excited to control myself. Let's say goodbye and love you.